So huge day for crypto. You can see Bitcoin is at 100,500. And first of all, at the end of this video, I will be telling you about one huge NFT alpha that is coming back, which is insane. That's why watch till the end, because there will be so many alpha drops that will be dropping. So first of all, Zeneca is talking about one upcoming project, AI project, which will be doing airdrop, I think possibly airdrop, most likely. And he's talking about Wayfinder. So first of all, if you want to read this bullish article, read it yourself. But what I want to tell you is that I have some referral links and I can invite you to this airdrop. This is only with invites. That's why look for invites in my description and in my comment section. So this is basically the project, which is called Wayfinder. First of all, you will have to create your account after you sign up with my referral link. You will have to create your account, create passkey, and basically create your wallet. After you are done with this, you will proceed. You will see you have completed the phase 1. Next is you will see this dashboard with your name, everything. Your agent is being calibrated. If you want to learn more, again, read the whole post. But after you finish setting up your account and wallet, you're basically done. But I would recommend you to fund your account with some few dollars. I basically funded with $20 of Ethereum and $20 of Solana. That's why I will be doing. I basically did this because I think it will give you bigger chances to get a bigger airdrop if they are dropping something. And yeah, all the links are in the description. So next alpha is this. Basically, Zagabond, the founder of Azuki, he's talking about anime.com. The next chapter for Web3 will be written through excellent products that users love. So what you want to do is go on this website called anime.com. Everyone can do this for free. You just go on the anime.com, join waitlist with your email. After that, you will get a code that you will enter and you will be able to mint 5 stickers for free. So basically do that. This is a huge alpha. No one knows what will happen next, but just do it. It's for free and it's really, really fast. And if you want to get this alpha early before I post on YouTube, you can join my Patreon, only $10 a month, but I'm posting every day multiple alpha posts, many posts that I'm not even talking about on YouTube. So next alpha is this. Basically, someone asked that this was back in December of 18. So here you can see, Gary V, what's your thoughts on creating a meme token around VFriends? Genuine, I don't know how to say it, question. Cheers, man. So what Gary V answered is huge. Waiting for clarity from the new administration, which is the Trump administration, before I do many new moves. So he is basically planning to do new moves after the administration is here, when people have clarity about NFT space, about tokens, about meme coins, and we all know Trump is bullish on crypto. Here you can see this basically came out today. Donald Trump open to having XRP, Solana, and USDC as strategic reserves. Why these and why not Ethereum is because these are traded in USA, and he's USA maxi. He's a patriot. That's why huge times are coming. This is basically January 16th, so in 5 days I think Bitcoin will go past 110,000. I hope so, because everything will be so huge, so bullish. Now the next bullish fact is that Christopher Waller, one of the Fed's key people, said that 3 or 4 cuts could be possible this year. Now, this is really insane, because what this means is that they are cutting rates, which means that it is much cheaper to take loans, they pay money from banks, and people are incentivized to take money, and basically, which means that we have more liquidity in the system. This could also mean money printing. That's why my opinion about a crypto bull run is that we will start the actual bull run later, because right now we are not feeling the euphoria like we did in 2021. And looking at the fact that Trump was really angry at crypto, he was bearish on crypto, he was against crypto in 2016. There are many interviews that he's saying that basically US dollar is the most important currency, and he's against crypto and Bitcoin. And 2017 was arguably the biggest Bitcoin crypto bull run. Everyone was so bullish on the news, Bitcoin crypto. 2021 was more about NFTs, but the Biden administration was really harsh on crypto. There were many debanked people, from big crypto funds, and I think Anderson Horowitz talked about this on Joe Rogan as well. That's why this will be the biggest bull run in my opinion. Now, the last alpha you don't want to miss. Maybe you want to miss, but I think this is huge. Is this. Here you can see, basically this is a VFriends server for Mint Minks. Now, what is Mint Mink? Mint Mink is basically this NFT. There are only 260 total Mint Mink NFTs. And you can see the floor price is 0.39. Now, what is this Mint Mink? This NFT basically gives you whitelists, mint opportunities, free airdrops from projects that Gary Vee can get to collab with. And if you may know, maybe you don't know, Gary Vee is one of the biggest entrepreneurs in the crypto space, in the NFT space, that is actually building something. That's why he can get to everyone. He can get to everyone outside of the crypto NFT space. That's why this is huge, because the Jeremy knows one of the VFriends actual stuff. Here you can see VF stuff. I don't know if you can see this, but he's basically the VFriends staff. And what he said is this. Someone asked, is something cooking for Minks? And he said, yup. And this was today, basically a few hours ago, and everyone is cheering. That's why this is huge. When something comes out, people will start sweeping floors, in my opinion, because many people know about this Mint Mink. There hasn't been many updates since, I think, summer or maybe last year. So let's see. Yes, June 18, 2024. Basically, since summer, there was this last mint, which was probably not that big. Right now, everything is huge, and there are so many huge opportunities from Arbitrum, from many upcoming chains that give you airdrops for owning the NFTs. That's why if they, for example, give whitelists opportunities for Mint Minks, for Arbitrum NFT collections that give you airdrops, this will be huge. This is basically free money. That's why I love these utility NFTs. That's why I am in projects like Admit1, Hunter Orel 555. They are giving whitelists. They will be most likely giving airdrops. Airdrop opportunities like these. That's why, again, don't basically fade crypto. This year will be huge. I think this will be the biggest and the longest crypto bull run ever. That's just my opinion. Nothing in this video is a financial advice, but if you enjoyed this video and if you want to get alpha earlier than on this video, you can join my Patreon group again. And thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press a like, press a subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.